Post-construction termite treatment needs a clear multi-year management plan that fits your property and lifestyle. Start with an annual inspection scheduled at a consistent time each year and treat that inspection as non-negotiable. During that inspection, check active bait stations, confirm levels in integrity, and service or replace components according to the original product label. Bait stations are most effective when left undisturbed and monitored monthly by the homeowner and fully serviced yearly by a technician. Maintain any soil termiticide barriers by following the product label for renewal intervals, typically every 3 to 5 years, depending on the material and disturbance to soil or landscaping, and always record the product name, application date, and treated areas in a single pest management file. Perform periodic moisture audits around foundations, crawl spaces, and roof lines by visually inspecting for pooling, checking downspout discharge, and using a simple moisture meter in high-risk areas to keep wood moisture levels below 40% if possible. After any landscaping, grading, or construction change, update your records and schedule an additional inspection because soil level changes and new plantings can break barriers or create direct wood-to-soil contact. Keep a maintenance calendar that includes monthly visual checks, annual professional inspections, bait station maintenance dates, and soil barrier renewal windows so you can budget for work and provide a continuous history for any future owner or contractor. Common mistakes start with treating the initial post-construction service as a one-time fix instead of an ongoing program, and the remedy is to commit to the inspection and maintenance schedule on your calendar and treat costs as part of home maintenance. Another frequent issue is ignoring moisture sources such as clogged gutters or leaking plumbing, which you avoid by doing simple monthly roofline and gutter checks. Ensuring downspouts discharge at least 5 feet away from the foundation and fixing leaks immediately. The third problem is inconsistent record keeping, which makes it hard to know when to renew treatments or what product was used. Solve this by keeping a dated binder or digital folder with labels, treatment maps, receipts, and photos, and review it annually with your inspector. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around local renovation and maintenance needs, and we provide a discussion community where people share experiences and ask questions about termite strategies. We help homeowners find local contractors and give contractors visibility to nearby work, while letting both sides learn from community discussions and shared project histories.